Do you need to go to the supermarket today?
Yes, I do. I need to stock up on some groceries for the week.
What's on your shopping list?
I need to get some fruits and vegetables, bread, milk, eggs, and some snacks.
Okay, do you have a specific supermarket in mind?
Yes, I'm thinking about going to the one on Main Street. It's convenient and has everything I need.
That sounds good. Do you know what time they close?
I think they close at 9 p.m. I want to get there before it gets too crowded.
Good idea. Do you need any help carrying your groceries?
No, I think I can manage. But thank you for offering.
No problem. Do you have any specific brands or types of food you prefer?
Not really. I'm open to trying new things, as long as they're healthy and taste good.
That's a good attitude. Do you have any tips for saving money at the supermarket?
I like to look for sales and discounts, and I also try to buy in bulk when possible. It can save a lot of money in the long run.
Those are good tips. Thanks for sharing. Let me know if you need any help with your shopping.
Thanks, I will.